Welcome to Donegal Tourism tutorial videos for providers. This short video is aimed at providers in Donegal who are registered and manage their account in the Tourism Hub. So now you have your images uploaded into your image gallery and you want to create your listing. On the left-hand side, there is a grey navigation panel. As a hotel or other accommodation provider, you will have a listing under the accommodation section. As a food provider, you will click on places to eat. Activity providers will select activities and transport providers will select transport. For the purpose of this video, we are going to create an accommodation listing. So to start, we click on Add New Accommodation. Here we can choose what type of accommodation we are: a hostel, bed and breakfast, campsite, guest house, self-catering or unique accommodation. Click on the relevant option. And for the purpose of this video, we have already created an account, a self-catering account. So we are at Holiday Cottage. There is our name, the address, the town that you can select from a drop-down menu, your telephone number. This is a compulsory box, and please make sure that our phone numbers have an international format. Therefore, you have to just drop the 0 before 74 or before your mobile number. Then we go down to your email address, choose your amenities depending on what service you provide, and then down to description. Social media section is optional. We would definitely recommend filling out your website address and maybe one of your social media platforms. If you don't have all of them, some providers might only have Facebook or Twitter. Don't worry, you can leave those boxes blank. Please make sure that boxes that have asterisks are all filled out correctly, otherwise you won't be able to save your account. Then look at the right-hand side of the screen. This is the image section. You cannot save your listing without at least one image, which is the primary image for your listing. To do so, please click Select Image, and you will see an image gallery of all the photographs that you have previously uploaded. You choose the one that you wish to come up as the first image, and when you're happy with it, you can click Save Changes. If you can't save changes, please check the details. Incomplete boxes will be highlighted in red. Add details as required and then hit Save Changes. This system will take you back to your dashboard. To edit your listing, simply click on the green button on the right-hand side under Edit, and this will take you back to your listing when you can make further changes, additions, select new images, etc. Please note that new listings are first submitted for approval to our Donegal Tourism team before they can appear on the website.